Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap and I'm a watchmaker here in the Netherlands. Cheers. I thought it would be nice to show you some iconic steel chronographs and some early ones even. We have the Speedmaster, a beautiful Heuer, a Pre-Daytona Rolex chronograph. Have you seen one before? And here the Carrera. I like to show you a bit more and even from the inside, so I do hope you enjoy it. Let's start with the Pre-Daytona. There we are. I still have to restore them so you can see the crystals broken and stuff, but look at this. And maybe funny, for a chronograph, did you ever seen these lines? 1, 2, 3. It's a telephone dial. Remember the song from Dr. Hook, Sylvia's Mother? And the operator says 40 cents for the next 3 minutes. That's why it's a telephone dial. Every 3 minutes there's a line. So with the payphone you know when you have to put in the money. Simple as that. Have you ever? Did you see that before? Beautiful kilometer dial, but then the inside. And for me, that's the most beautiful part of the watch. Again, you see, I still have to restore it, but if the caliber, you can see here, it's an original Valjoux 72, and it's the iconic, legendary 72, because it's got a column wheel chronograph, and the column wheel is very good for, try to show you there. Now you can see this one goes in between those columns, and now it's pushed out, back in, pushed out. That's why column wheel. Beautiful Rolex. But if we have a look at this Carrera over here, you will see it has got the exact same movement. Here we are, trying to open it. And here we see the Rolex. There you see Rolex. And if we move it like this, it is exactly the same, but then here Heuer Leonidas. Same Valjoux, same 72. Only thing is, here you can see the Inca block shock system. That means it's from after 1948. And this one, different kind of shock system. Probably just 1950, but overall just the same movement. Slightly different differences. Again there with the column wheel, just about the same. Well, this is a Carrera, and I do love the design of this one. Yeah. Not too big, and just the classic 3 sub-dials. But I would love to show you this one, because there is so much going on in this timepiece. Again, this one I have to restore as well. But look at this. 3 sub-dials, not a telephone dial, you see? but with the day and the month, and here the pointer date. The outside ring, now the 19th until 31. There's a lot going on. Same movement is based on the value, but because there are more complications, it is the 72.3. Again, just about the same movement. But beautiful stuff. If you like to know a bit more about chronographs and how they work, please have a look at on our YouTube channel Chronoglide How a Watch Works, and then I show you a bit more about the workings of any chronograph from the old until the new, and then iconic Speedmaster. This is not an early one, just like the Rolex Pre-Daytona. This is the Moon Watch, but from 69. Very simple. If you have a look at the movements, you can determine the production date. Here, Omega, and there the serial number starts with 31, and that corresponds with 1969. And here the basic chronograph, how just about every chronograph works. This wheel rotates always because it's on the same axle pivot as the wheel underneath. So this one is always running, that one is always running. You can see the coarse teeth, and they're the very small teeth, and this one will simply engage, and this is the sweep second hand. So simple. Engage. You can see this one go in and out. Disengage. And if you see the smaller teeth, there we are. Engage. Might be a bit deeper. And disengage. And then with these two hammers, this is the minute counter, second counter, and they push the counters back in the original position, so the hands go back. Well, I do hope you enjoyed the 4 iconic steel chronographs. If you like a bit more to see about watches on our YouTube channel Chronoglide, please subscribe, and don't forget to like or leave a comment. We read every single comment and we really do enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for your attention. See ya. Bye bye.